Hi, I'm Rachel. Welcome to Randox. If you want to know what life is like here, then join me on a tour of our headquarters, where our first stop is the Marketing, Public Relations and Design Hub. That's right, it takes more than just scientists to run a world-renowned healthcare company. This creative crowd produces brochures, videos, press releases and social media campaigns to promote our diagnostic products. And thanks to the growth of our successful business portfolio, these products are sold in 145 countries, offering our dynamic sales team the chance to travel to the likes of China, Australia and the USA. Though they couldn't do it without our tech-savvy IT team. These computer gurus implement cutting-edge cybersecurity, develop our websites and apps, and design the software for our pioneering diagnostic machines. Machines that are invented and 3D printed here by our engineering experts in state-of-the-art facilities. These revolutionary diagnostic systems are used in hospitals, universities and veterinary labs to ensure fast and accurate disease diagnosis. It's no surprise, therefore, that our engineers work closely with the R&D scientists devising the tests used on our analyzers. These ambitious individuals conduct research into the world's most urgent health concerns, including Alzheimer's disease and diabetes. When you work at Randox, you're making a difference. Whether an apprentice, a full-time member of staff, a student on our Apex placement scheme, or part of our graduate programme, the work you do helps to improve the lives of patients around the world. If you're ready to make your mark, visit our website. Here at Randox, we don't make jobs, we create careers.